Are you ready to enlist in the ultimate fitness challenge? Today, we're tackling the topic of military workouts and answering the burning question. Have you ever wondered why military training produces some of the fittest individuals on the planet? And what if I told you that you could achieve similar results by incorporating these workouts into your daily routine? Intrigued? Before start, let me explain why military workouts are important every day. Full body conditioning. Military workouts target multiple muscle groups simultaneously, promoting overall strength, endurance, and fitness through comprehensive exercises like push-ups, squats, and burpees. Mental toughness. These workouts build mental resilience and discipline as soldiers learn to push past physical and mental limits, overcome obstacles, and stay focused in challenging situations. Adaptability and progression. Military-inspired routines are scalable, allowing individuals of all fitness levels to participate and progress at their own pace. Let's dive in and discover the power of military workouts. Bear walks engages core muscles and promotes full-body activation, aiding in calorie burn and fat loss, including in the abdominal area. Squat jacks combine squatting and jumping movements to elevate heart rate and engage leg muscles, contributing to overall calorie expenditure and belly fat reduction. Flutter Kicks targets lower abdominal muscles while engaging core for stability, aiding in toning and tightening the midsection to reduce belly fat. Bear crawls, full-body exercise that activates core muscles, shoulders, and legs, promoting calorie burn, fat loss, including in the belly region. Invisible jump rope mimics jumping rope without the actual rope, providing a cardio workout that elevates heart rate and burns calories, contributing to belly fat reduction. Mountain climber plus dynamic plank combines dynamic plank movements with mountain climbers to engage core muscles and elevate heart rate, aiding in calorie burn and abdominal fat loss. Russian twist targets oblique muscles while engaging core for stability, aiding in toning and tightening the waistline to reduce belly fat. Jumping air clap, dynamic plyometric exercise that targets multiple muscle groups, including core muscles, leading to calorie burn and belly fat loss. Burpees, high-intensity, full-body exercise that combines strength training with cardio, leading to increased calorie burn and overall fat loss, including in the abdominal area.